Hello guys, this is Abhishek. I hope you can hear me since I'm on the highway. Wish you all happy Independence Day. And today I am riding to my favorite destination, that is Foodie, which is 80 kilometers from Indore. As you can see, I am on the highway, and today I will tell you why I like my KTM Duke 390. This is the bike on which you can tour anywhere in the India, and you can ride in city also. No problem with the power. 43 horsepower is the engine, and it comes with ABS and Metzeler tires, which are really sticky on. Hey guys, I have reached Foodie and having breakfast. This is the tea and poha. The best thing about this place is it's good, hygienic, and clean. Food is also good. I've been here almost 20-25 times, but never had an issue with the food. Because this is my first stop from Indore to Mumbai and last stop from Mumbai to Indore. So this let's see, I can wait for more 4 to 5 minutes if they can do it quickly. Okay, the flag has been hoisted. Near Janapao right now. You can see this. It's so cloudy over here. What I was talking about, the bike Duke 390. It will never let you down on the highways or in city. The only problem in city is that it gets hits. It hits up very quickly. गर्म बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है, वही एक प्रॉब्लम है इसके साथ में. और टैंक हाईवे पे सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम, टैंक 11 लीटर का है. सो मीन्स एवरी 200 230 किलोमीटर्स यू हैव टू फ्यूल अप. सो ये थोड़ा डिसएडवांटेज है हाईवेज के लिए. बाकी तो बाइक बहुत सही है. It started running while returning back after Janapur, and just a kilometer ahead it was very dry over there. As you can see in this video, it will get dry up, and then the street was fun to drive on this highway. My bike is almost 5 years old, and I haven't changed the tires yet. And Metzelas are very nice, especially on dry and wet surface. But now I think I need to change the tires. So let's see which tires I get. I will consult my friends and colleagues. Most probably it will be Michelin. Let's see. There it is. Netrax, National Automotive Test Track. Okay, let's check out what it is like.